Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. There are two divisions of Veda. One is Karmakanda section, that's Karma Pratipadaka Veda. Other is Tattva Pratipadaka Veda. Understand me? Tattva Pratipadaka Veda. Do you follow? Those who are caste Brahmanas, so-called, we say Smartha Brahmanas, they know only this Karmakanda section of Veda. Do you understand? They don't know the other sections. And they know that thing, and thereby, in the society, they do this work of priest. Priest. Do you understand? So, this ceremony is like new baby is born. So, Brahman is called for to perform this Jat Karma. Do you understand? Shaving, Mundan Karma, name giving, all this is a Karma Kanda. Do you understand? And somebody is dead. Do you understand? Death occurs. And that Karma Kanda Brahmanas are asked for, they are called for to perform this Preta Kriya. Do you understand? Preta Kriya, there is some ritualistic performances. On the 10th day of date, is Dasa Kriya. 11th day, 12th day, this is Preta Kriya. That the person who is dead, he will not be a Preta, he will not be a ghost. At least he will get some on this gross body. Do you follow? Therefore, this Preta Kriya is performed. And these Brahmanas, they do it. Those who know the Karma Kanda. Do you follow? And these Brahmanas and the society other people, they know, yes, this Brahmana, and they do this thing, they are our priest. So they pay some respect. Do you follow? That Brahman comes to the house, they pay Gosai Oligi. Understand me? Gosai Oligi. Dandavata. All right, then they offer some blessings. All right, Kalyanamastu, Dharmartha Kama Moksha Chaturvarga Praptimastu. Understand me? Understand? They want some pranama and in return some pranami. All right? Pranami. Understand me? Pranami. This is Jati Siddha Brahmana, Smartha Brahmana. So, they know only Karmakanda section, they don't know the Tattva section of the Veda. But those who are Paramarthika Brahman, real Brahman, Vaishnava, they know Tattva Pratipadaka Veda. Do you understand? In Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, 4.4.21 it is said, who is real Brahmana? Tameva dhira vigyam pragyam kurvita Brahmana. That means, one who knows Brahma Vastu, Brahmagya Purush, very intelligent, is Brahmana. He knows Bhagavad Swarup, Bhagavan. Who is Bhagavan? What is his Swarup? He knows, especially knows it. Knowing this, he develops Prema Bhakti. He is a real Brahmana. That means pure Bhakta, Suddha Bhakta, Premi Bhakta. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad says.